Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you the instructions for the dome tent from Kmart. So, first step, take out the fiberglass poles from the plastic bag, assemble the pole by each section joined together with the formula. So the rods, just put them through those little things right there, simple. And first put them like this. And put them through those little slots right there. And step 2, spread the tent body, insert the pole through the pole, sleeve in tent body. And then put the rods into those little sockets at the bottom, basically. And also tie it up. There's like a little string, and tie the poles up. Step 3. So yeah. You can read that for more advanced things. And then just put them in, and you can put those little kind of Allen keys kind of thing in the ground with a hammer. And you can also put that little kind of like a umbrella kind of thing on top, so you don't get water into your tent. So, hope you enjoyed today's video, and yeah, goodbye.